Hey there, future money movers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money with Capitec online in 2025. If you're a Capitec user, this feature is a game changer for quick and secure transfers, whether you're sending cash to family or splitting bills with friends. By 2025, Capitec's app has gotten even smarter with enhanced security and user-friendly updates, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest Capitec app installed on your smartphone. Open it up and log in with your secure PIN or biometric authentication. Remember, always use a strong password to keep your funds safe. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers section, usually found on the home screen or under the main menu. It's that intuitive. Now, for the fun part. Select New Transfer and enter the recipient's details. You'll need their Capitec account number or cell phone number if they're registered for mobile banking. Double-check the amount you're sending and add a reference note if you want, like rent payment or dinner treat. In 2025, the app might even suggest recipients based on your past transactions. Pretty cool, right? Before you hit confirm, review everything carefully. Capitec now includes a two-factor authentication step, so you'll get a one-time PIN sent to your phone. Enter that, and voila! Your transfer is on its way. It typically processes in seconds for Capitec to Capitec transfers, but keep an eye on any fees for other banks. A quick pro tip. Always check your transaction history right after to ensure everything went smoothly, and if you're transferring larger amounts, consider setting up transfer limits in your app settings for added security. That's it, simple, secure, and straightforward. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2025 tech guides. Drop your questions in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Stay savvy.